Hey everyone! Welcome back to today. We're diving into the creative side of web development, exploring how HTML and CSS can bring your designs to life. Stick around as we explore colors, layouts, and more. Let's get started. Before we jump into the design aspects, let's quickly review the basic structure of an HTML document. This will serve as our canvas. To style our HTML, we'll create a separate CSS file. This keeps our code organized. Let's name it styles.css. Now, let's add some color. CSS offers various ways to specify colors. You can use color names, hex codes, RGB, or HSL values. Don't forget about background colors. They can make a big difference in your design. Let's talk layout and the box model. This is the foundation of web design. Elements have content, padding, borders, and margins. There you have it. We've just scratched the surface of HTML and CSS for design. From colors to layouts, these tools give you the creative freedom to build visually stunning websites. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.